Today we're going to be looking at the unboxing of the Zoom R12 and the Zoom R20. I purchased the Zoom R12 because it was portable and it was battery operated. I thought it'd be really nice to take around and use whenever I wanted, wherever I wanted. But I had a hard time with the small screen. It was really hard for me to see and it was really hard for me to use it. So I exchanged it for the Zoom R20. I'll go ahead and show you the unboxing and then we'll go ahead and cover some of the features of both of them. I just got my Zoom R12 multi-track portable production studio. So I'm going to open it up, take a look. Four manuals. USB to USB-C cable, AC adapter, and here's the unit. Small, portable, just what I wanted. You've got your combo jacks input, you've got left-right output, headphone output, power off on, and you've got a USB-C that can be used for power, flash drives, MIDI, or used as an audio interface. On the other side, you have your micro SD card slot, and then on the bottom, you have your battery compartment for 4 AA batteries. Now we're going to unbox the Zoom R20 and we're going to explore it. A really nice wall wart. So I've got my replacement, unbox it, turning it on, and now we're going to look at some of the features of the Zoom R20. I like that it came with its own electric plug, and the really cool thing about it was that it actually screwed onto the body of the Zoom R20. And then you've got your off-on switch. You've got the volume control for your headphones, your headphone output, right and left outputs. And then going to the other side, you have an input for a remote control, which is not on the R12. Then you have your USB-C. You can use that for a flash drive, MIDI, audio interface, or card reader, just like the R12 with the exclusion of using it for power. And the R20 uses the SDHC SD card rather than the mini that the R12 uses. And now I'll tell you what I liked and didn't like about each unit. The thing that I really liked about both units were that they had the onboard rhythm loops, and these are true rhythm loops, not like the R24 where you had to import them and create your own sets. I really like that, and that's on both units. The Guitar Lab, you can create your own effects and then import them into the project. I like the onboard synth sounds you can play from the touch screen, and I like that it had MIDI capabilities. So these units truly are an all-in-one recording studio. The Zoom R12, I really liked. The size was perfect. It was compact. It was about half the size of the R20, and it was battery operated. And the con for me was the size of the screen. I couldn't see it in my fingers. I couldn't touch the small areas. It was way too small for me. I really struggled with it, thinking I'd get used to it, but it just didn't happen. The pros for the Zoom R20 are the 8 direct tracks, and the larger screen is heavenly. I really like the screen a lot. And the cons for the Zoom R20 were, for me, the larger size. I preferred the smaller size of the R12. The R20 is pretty much the size of the Zoom R16. And it only has 2 combo jacks, which are incredibly snug. When you trying to get your cord out of that combo jack, it is a fight. There you go. That's my look at the Zoom R12 and the Zoom R20. Hopefully that helps you make a decision between the two. They're both great little machines, and I don't think you could go wrong with either one. So take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.